Binder is a third-generation family business located in the heart of Bavaria. Almost 100 years of experience in industrial metalworking and innovative solution finding with stable and reliable manufacturing processes form the foundation of its success. Not only since the production of the Binder sidecar, but subsequently over decades as a reliable partner with trusting business relationships, the Binder companies have made a name for themselves in the sectors of automotive, aerospace, power generation technology, and architecture. Customers in these industries benefit from the synergy effects that emerge from the different types of experience. With its profound know-how, Binder covers the entire value-added supply chain, from expert advice and process development, through material procurement and testing, to the manufacture and delivery of complete assemblies. Thanks to the extensive production depth, all special processes in production can be carried out under one roof by the metalworking specialist Binder. This minimizes risks and provides planning reliability with maximum precision. The production equipment includes state-of-the-art laser cutting and laser welding systems, a wide range of different sheet metal forming technologies, excellent TIG welding capabilities, as well as the precise machining of series components. In combination with the approvals obtained, in particular on the basis of EN 9100 and NADCAP certification, we cover all requirements. With this broad production range, Binder can confidently manufacture engine components and aircraft parts for the most renowned aviation programs. Binder can justifiably call itself a laser pioneer. With the development and production of its own 5-axis laser robot in 1985, the inventive spirit of the former founders was again proven. This was the foundation for decades of further development in laser processing, which continues to this day. In addition to quality and cost-effectiveness, safety is a key principle for Binder. In order to find the smallest defects in materials, components, and weld seams, X-ray and fluorescent testing systems, as well as digital measuring equipment, are used in the Binder laboratory. Highly trained and certified employees inspect all components and assemblies to guarantee the highest possible safety. Wherever the aviation industry may be heading, Binder is working on it innovatively and sustainably, just as it has done since 1926, as a stable, future-oriented company with a clear value proposition for its employees.